What's the meaning of cortège? Cortège. Cortège.
Cortège. Cortège. Cortège refers to a solemn procession, typically one following a coffin or hearse at a funeral. It can also refer to a procession of vehicles or people accompanying an important person or dignitary. The term is derived from the French word cortège, meaning train or retinue. A cortège often includes mourners, pallbearers, and other participants. In some cultures, music is played during the cortège and flowers are often scattered along the route. The purpose is to honor and show respect for the deceased or the important person being escorted.